What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but the main reason is because of all this snow. It's been snowing like crazy here in Jersey, and obviously I can't drive the car in this weather. I'll be lucky if I even made it out my driveway. But in today's video, we're going to be driving alive to work. We're going to change out the cluster. That way we got some kind of content for you guys. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, tap that notification button. We're going to have a lot of fun stuff coming up soon, especially because spring is on its way. But let's get this day started. This is the cluster I got on the car now. No RPMs on there. And this is what we're going to be putting on there, because we definitely need some RPMs. I can't be driving this thing like this forever. But let's see if the car starts. I don't even know if the car's going to start, to be honest with you guys. It's been that long. So let's see. That's one attempt. There we go. Just like a champ. So I'm gonna let him idle for a little bit, and then we're gonna head out. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into this. So what we're going to have to do to change out this cluster, there's 2 bolts in here that you have to take out. Usually they're the Phillips screws, and they actually are already off. And behind this little panel, usually there's a clock there on some models. We'll take this plastic piece off. There's another screw behind there, and this whole bezel should just come right out. And then once we take that piece out, if you look at this cluster, there's going to be bolts holding this into place. We take those out, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy process. Nothing too complicated. Alright, so for most of you guys, OG subscribers, you know I got this car as a shell, and it just happens to be that all the screws that you would have to take off are already out. So we just got to grab the bezel and just pull it out. Just mess with it until it all comes out. And there we go. And just like that, we got it out. And there's the bolts that would hold the cluster into place. So we're just going to swap that out real quick. Alright, so our bolts are off. And now we just pull this guy out. And that's it. And now we just disconnect these and swap them over to the other one. And we're good. Alright, so one quick thing, guys. On the one that does not have the clock, there's screws that hold that plastic piece on the back. So actually don't try prying that out. Looks like on this style you don't have to take out that screw that's behind here because there is none. If yours has a clock, then you would have to take that off. But here's the new cluster. We got everything connected in the back. It's just plug and play. And now we're just gonna install it real quick and make sure it works. We'll turn the car on and make sure it works. Small crack here, but I don't really care. As long as I got some RPMs and everything works, I'm good with that. Alright guys, so my mistake, there is a bolt right in there, which is behind the hazard lights. It just confused me since all the bolts were pretty much missing. I guess the previous owner took the old cluster that was in here. That's why all the bolts are gone, but there is a bolt back here, just so you guys know. Now that everything is put back together, let's turn the car on and see if the RPMs are working. So far so good. Here we go guys, we got some RPMs. So we'll officially have some RPMs guys. So that's just a quick tutorial so you guys know how to change out the cluster on this EGs, and I'll catch you guys on the next.